Welcome to the CXO Talks, an extension of our newsletter named the CXO Journal and brought to you by GetItConnectGlobal.com. In this edition of the CXO Talks, let's find out a simple rule of thumb for CXOs to apply lean principles to any task. CXOs handle a lot of tasks. Some they do, many they delegate. But how to make sure that all tasks are executed in a lean manner? How to ensure that they are done efficiently and effectively? How to ensure that there is continuous improvement in their execution? Let's find an answer to these questions in today's edition. A simple rule of thumb framework for CXOs. I was in search of a standard framework which can be applied to anything. I struggled a lot for many years to simplify and arrive at a simple set of questions which are necessary to do anything in a lean manner. Today I am pleased to share this framework with you. I call it as Scaling Up Framework, and it can be applied to manage and scale up any task systematically. This framework is designed considering all lean principles, their applicability in manufacturing as well as services organizations, importance of people, processes, and tools to perform any task, importance of measurement, motivation, and automation to monitor and improve the execution of any task. This is basically a rule of thumb framework for CXOs to manage and scale up any task. It starts by writing down the task at hand to start with. Define very clearly the task at hand. The task at hand can be anything, right from a simple task in your personal life, such as going to office on time, to a complex project in professional life. Let's take a simple example to understand it easily. Consider the task at hand to be making everyone in the family wake up early. In this case, for whom will your family members? By whom will be you? How to do will be the process. For example, switch off lights along with the electronic media early and sleep early. How to measure will be weekly tracking of wake-up times of everybody. How to motivate will be to keep some task which can only be done in the early morning, such as making a video with rising sun and sharing it on social media. You can be very creative to find out motivation considering the audience involved in the tasks. How to automate will be use of alarm clocks every morning, etc. The point here is use this framework and be creative in applying innovative ideas to make the process robust. Scaling up framework can be applied to almost any task in your business and even in personal life. Applications in professional areas. A step in some process in your department. For example, filtering of candidates as per their CVs, contacting potential leads, etc. A department in your company. For example, reduction of customer complaints, improvement in sales effectiveness, etc. A company as a whole. For example, entry into a new geography, decision to launch a product upgrade or not, and many more. Applications in personal areas. A personal project. For example, personality development of your kid, your diet plan implementation, etc. Arrangement of an event in family. For example, family get-together, implementation of new habits in family, etc. A process in your personal life. For example, savings of travel time in life, improve your own meditation process, and many more. How to use the Scaling Up framework. If you are applying it to a simple task, one iteration will do. If you are applying it to a process which can have a series of tasks, you can apply this multiple times to each relevant task. It will give you innovative ideas to manage and scale up your tasks. Check these examples to understand how this framework can be applied in real life. For example, while applying this in business category, if the task at hand is reduction of customer complaints, for whom can be all customers buying ABC product. By whom can be customer success team. How to do in this case will be a bit complex as it will have multiple steps such as 1. Collation of complaints. 2. Analysis of data. 3. Finding the root causes. 4. Corrective actions. 5. Preventive actions. For each of the above steps, there will be a separate measurement, motivation, and automation. I hope this is clear now. Scaling Up framework is really useful, but more importantly, it's a handy framework. You can memorize it and use it anytime, anywhere. Feel free to use this framework for all the strategic thinking for your company as well as personal management. To make your life easier, we have created a free Notion template based on this framework. Check the link in description and simply duplicate this free Notion template for easy implementation. Simply duplicate the template and use it as if it is your own. You will need a free Notion account to duplicate this template. In any case, you can also download the schematic image of this scaling up framework from this video and start implementing it in real life. I hope this is helpful. Please do share your experiences and comments to make this discussion richer and let everyone learn more from the same. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Let's connect in the next video with few more insights to manage and scale up your business systematically.